Hi, I'm Dr. Aarti, consultant dermatologist, CI Cosmetic Clinic, Bangalore. So we Indians are like very prone to get tanned very fast. So we belong to the skin type 4 to 6. So our skin usually reacts to sunlight by getting tanned. So why do we get tanned actually? So tanning is actually a natural mechanism. So when the sunlight falls on your skin, there is something called as melanocytes which increases. So it is actually a protective mechanism to prevent the skin from the harmful rays of the sun. But we Indians, we usually don't like, that line which gives you at the end of tanning in your hands, in your neck and thing. So when it comes to tanning, there are two different types of tanning which actually happens. The one is like which occurs immediately after you come from outside, which stays for a few minutes to hours and it goes. So the second type of tanning occurs when you are a person who works under the sun for a long time, or your job is like traveling for a long time in the sun. Then that type of tanning starts weeks later, and that is something which is going to be with you for months or years together. So how can you protect yourself from getting tanned? You can avoid going out in the sun at the peak hours. For example, from 11 a.m. to 2 a.m. when the sun is at its peak. You can protect yourself by wearing protective clothing when you drive, like the gloves and the mask. And also a helmet can prevent you from the harmful radiations from the sun. Use of a sunscreen is very, very important. So sunscreen comes in various forms like creams, gels, lotions, mousse or sprays. You can choose among these one which suits your skin type. So there are even oral sunscreens available where you can just chew one before going out in the sun, or you can take one when you're going to go on a holiday to a very hot climate. And the clothing that you wear, wear light colored clothes that reflects most of the sunlight, and carry an umbrella whenever possible, or even your scarf or a dupatta. You can cover your face when you go out in the sun. All these small things can help you a long way in preventing tanning. So are you a person who's already completely tanned and you want to get rid of the tan? Then there are various procedures and various creams available which can help you in getting rid of your tan. The most important thing again is your sunscreen, how well you use your sunscreen. It has to be used at least 15 to 20 minutes before you step out of your house. So you need to use the adequate amount to apply it all the exposed areas. So various depigmenting creams containing kojic acid, glycolic acid can be applied in the night, which gradually peels the skin and gives the normal color to the skin. Or if your tan is really resistant, then you can go for chemical peelings, which again and in repeated sessions will restore back your skin color.